Dear my customer, here I will show you the wire connection between our brushless DC motor and the DMKVD controller. For this motor, we can see the specification first. The rated power is 400 watts and the rated voltage is 24 and the rated speed is 1500 RPM. And for this motor, it has brake and also we made the temperature sensor inside the motor. We see the cable from the motor, and this cable is the phase wire. Phase wire, we have 3 wires, U, V, W. Red one is U and yellow one is V and the black one is W. Here we add the quick connector for our agreement with the customer. Here we can see the UVW 3 wires connect to the controller UVW. And another cable from the motor we can see here. Because we have the quick connect here, it's hard for us to see how many wires inside. Actually, there are 9 wires in total. 5 wires for Hall sensor and 2 wires for brake, another 2 wires for temperature sensor. Here we can see these 2 wires for brake. So we connect to a separate power supply for brake, 28 voltage, and all other wires, I mean the Hall sensor wire and also the temperature wire, we connect to this quick connector. Then we connect to the controller. And also important is we have this red wire. We need to connect this wire to the positive. This black, but here we use a green wire just for test. And this black is a negative. This is the power supply. From the power supply, the voltage is 24. All this is a wire connection between the motor and the controller. And we can just show you a simple operation. First, because this motor have the brake, we need to power on the brake first. Here, this is the power supply for the brake. Power on, we can see the click, means the brake is open, so we can power on the driver. Here is a switch. We use this switch. We can see the motor is running. Stop. Change direction. Also, we can use this part, potentiometer, to adjust the speed. Decrease the speed. Increase the speed. Okay, this is a simple operation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.